It is hard for these families to find medical resources to treat serious medical problems when they are traveling. Most families travel with over-the-counter remedies to treat common problems, but they are often at a loss to treat serious problems and do not know where to find reputable doctors in Odisha or Delhi. The embassy has a list of doctors authorized to administer shots, but the parents don't know how reliable these doctors are. Can your company help these adoptive families and children with their medical need in Odisha? So my answer is yes, we can help. With this, I conclude, and I must thank Dr. Samant for encouraging a TBI and Hello Doctor 24/7. And thank you all for participating. I think we have a video. We have made a 6-minute documentary, so please have a look. Thank you all.
Lack of proper information and basic awareness is primarily the reason why people in India still do not get proper healthcare service. Application of a homegrown healthcare services, tech knowledge and trained human resources to ensure quality health service and make life easier for the common mass is the ultimate mission of two young doctors, Dr. Lalit Manik and Dr. Divendra Tiwari. During the med school, Kolkata, Ideas to Implementation, IIT Kanpur, Power of Ideas conducted by the Economic Times and Angel Network, and many more. Experts from various fields have expressed their enthusiasm and applauded the idea of Hello Doctor 24/7.
Can you name one or two plans that impressed you the most?
Yes, the Hello Doctor plan.
Any particular idea that impressed you a lot?
Aksha
Okay.
and Hello Doctor.
And I also like the Hello Doctor idea. Hello Doctor.
Saw an opportunity to add value to the healthcare system in the rural community of Odisha. He, along with Dr. Lalit, Dr. Tiwari and Mr. Tarun, formed the core team of the company. Tarun Kumar Mahanti, a highly qualified software engineer, joined the dream team to impart his tech knowledge and expertise to the company. Thus was born Hello Doctor 24/7, an amalgamation of medical and tech professionals whose main aim is to give reliable and prompt medical and paramedical
petition.
Okay, sure.
Please be online. I am searching and I will get back to you, sir. One orthopedician is there, Dr. Priyadarshini Ota. Would you like to consult Priyadarshini Ota?
Okay, you can fix an appointment day after tomorrow. I'm having.
Hello, sir. I have sent the message. Very soon you are getting the SMS.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for calling Hello Doctor 24/7. Have a nice day.
We provide information on hospitals and nursing homes like availability of doctors, the timings, different diagnostic and surgical procedures.
Professor Kolaskar, President of today's function, Honorable Minister, Chief Guest, Dr. Samanta, Dr. Suar, Mr. Das, ladies and gentlemen, and as they say in Indigo flights, boys and girls, as I see so many young boys and girls here. Health is such a huge subject. Ask me as Health Secretary. It is such a huge canvas that any endeavor be it in the private sector or in the government sector, to improve healthcare delivery is something which everybody appreciates. Usually, there is a tendency to feel that health is something which government is supposed to do. So the entire responsibility for health and healthcare delivery is only with the government. But it's only now, steadily, that realization is dawning that it is everybody's responsibility. Government is definitely a very key player, but private sector, private medical colleges, entrepreneurs, doctors, people, everybody has to play a very important role to ensure that health actually reaches the people. And in that context, such an endeavor is something which we are all very happy about. And I'd like to congratulate the entire team, led by Dr. Samanta, Dr. Suar, Mr. Das, and the two young doctors, Dr. Lalit and Dr. Tiwari, for having conceptualized this and for having been able to give it shape. Usually we all come up with a lot of ideas and we keep on thinking about those ideas, but very few of us are able to actually translate them into action. And for that, you really deserve congratulations.